This is the elevator at the Kane Plaza parking garage in Sarasota, Florida. It's an Otis Series 5. We're gonna go to 4. Here we are at 4. The office building itself is right there. I'm gonna go back down. There's no up or down chimes on this elevator, just the floor passing chimes. 2,500 pound capacity.